I've got the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S right here, and today I'm going to show you how to unlock the bootloader for both the Note 9S as well as the Note 9 Pro for the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 series. So this is going to work on the variants of the Note 9 series that have the Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. The more affordable, like the regular Note 9 smartphone, includes a different chip from another company, so the unlock process is different and sometimes not possible. But I have the Note 9S, so I can show you how to unlock the bootloader for this phone as well as the Note 9 Pro. And Xiaomi's bootloader unlock process is fairly involved, at least compared to other bootloader unlock processes. So for most devices, we just need to issue a Fastboot command to unlock the bootloader, but on Xiaomi's smartphones, things are different. So we're going to need to download the Mi Unlock tool on our PC, and I'm going to have download links for how to do this and download links for everything else, as well as step-by-step instructions down in the video description, as well as on my website, which I'll be linking in the video description. Once we have Mi Unlock downloaded and extracted on our PC, we then need to focus our attention on the smartphone itself. And we're going to open up the settings so that we can scroll down a bit till we get to the Mi account option. We need to tap on this and log in to our Mi account. This requires a phone number and SMS verification. So you are going to need to have your SIM card inserted into the phone so that you can verify that, as well as you're going to need to have that SIM card in the phone whenever we actually initiate the bootloader unlock process. So let me log into my Mi account right here. After you have logged into your Xiaomi Mi account, you're going to be taken to this Xiaomi Cloud screen. You just go ahead and allow these permissions now. If you want to refuse those and block those permissions later, go ahead. There's a lot of stuff that's changed for Xiaomi's bootloader unlock process. A few years ago, you needed to actually request permission to unlock the bootloader before you began any of this. That's no longer possible. They used to have a requirement that made you have the Find Device option enabled, because the Mi.com cloud account, whenever it checks to find out if your phone is actually yours, it needs to locate that device so that it can send that bootloader unlock code. So you can try, if you want, to do the bootloader unlock process with these features disabled. I have not had success with that in the past, so I'm going to leave these enabled right now. And then once I unlock the bootloader, I will then go in and disable sync and the Find Device features. So we're just going to go ahead and tap on continue. And then it's going to bring us to our Mi account. So we need to enable developer mode by going into the About Phone section and then tapping on the Mi UI version until we get the note that we are now a developer. Then when we come down here, you're going to see additional settings, and then at the bottom you should see developer mode. Once we get into the developer options menu, you should see a option here called OEM Unlocking. We need to tap that toggle to enable it, and then you're probably going to be requested to verify that it is you. With that done, we're then going to tap on Enable, that button down there. to confirm the process. With the OEM unlocking toggle enabled, we can then tap on the Mi Unlock status option. We're going to get a prompt down here because, again, it needs to check on the Mi account, the IMEI, and all of that. And you're going to get some instructions down here. So we're going to make sure, again, that we have our SIM card installed. We should then turn off Wi-Fi and then enable mobile data. Like I said, this needs connection to your mobile account with your SIM card in order to unlock the bootloader. Then we can go through and add the account. We've already downloaded the tool, and then I will show you how to finish that. So let me go ahead and add in my SIM card, and then I'll show you how to add an account. The SIM card setup, we're back in the Settings app in the Developer Options menu. We're going to go back into the Mi Unlock status section. Go ahead and tap on Agree, and now we're going to add the account and the device. The amount of time it takes for this to work successfully will depend on how your mobile data connection is, how busy Xiaomi's servers are. I missed it on the video, but once this is done right, you should get a pop-up, just like it said it's preparing to add. Once it's done, you should get a pop-up saying that this device was successfully added. With that done, we can then back out. And now we can open up that Mi Unlock program on our PC and connect our smartphone to the PC with a USB cable. So I now have the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S connected to the PC with the USB cable. I've opened up this Mi Unlock program that I downloaded from Xiaomi's website. I'm going to go ahead and click on Agree, and then I'm going to sign into my account. So then I'm going to check our Mi account, make sure that we have done all that stuff that we needed to do before. And then it's going to instruct us to boot the smartphone into Fastboot mode. So we're going to power off the phone. And then just like the program instructs, we're going to press and hold the power button and the volume down button. So I was having issues getting the phone into Fastboot mode, so I unplugged the USB cable. I think that was causing the issue. I was then able to boot into Fastboot mode. Now I'm going to connect the USB cable. We're going to get this warning screen right here telling us that our user data is going to be unlocked. We're just going to click on the unlock button, knowing that our user data is going to be erased. We're going to wait for this countdown. And we're going to click the unlock anyway button, and then another unlock anyway button. It's normal. Then we're going to see this percentage counting up. It's verifying our device. Now this is how Xiaomi does its boot unlock process. It comes in two parts. What we have done is the first part, and that is 99% of the bootloader unlock process. Now what we've basically done is we've told Xiaomi that we want to unlock the bootloader for our smartphone, and they just want to make sure that we're not a reseller who is buying their phones, putting different software on it or something, and then selling it en masse to the community. So they give us a restriction. So now that we have completed step 1 of the bootloader unlock process, we now just need to wait 168 hours. Once that time process passes, then Xiaomi feels safe that we are not a reseller, and we can actually just boot our smartphone into Fastboot mode, connect it to our PC with the USB cable, open up Mi Unlock, and we're going to click through those buttons again, the unlock buttons, and then the unlock anyway buttons. except after 168 hours, when we go through just this part on the PC, it's going to unlock the phone for us. So we just need to wait. This used to be, I believe it was 15 days. So we just need to wait the time until Xiaomi feels safe that we're not a reseller. And then I'm just going to connect the phone to the PC, open up Mi Unlock again, and then actually unlock the phone. And that is how to unlock the bootloader for the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, as well as the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro.